YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading again we are going to see your energy vibrations for the coming week. So the week that is about to commence from tomorrow, that is 11th of October until the 17th of October. Although this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link from that particular day, say for a period of 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. But for my friends who are seeing it right on the time, from tomorrow Saturn is going to go direct. Saturn, Shani, the planet of karma, is going to reward my friends who have been putting in good karma. And similarly, it is a planet of punishments also. So if you've been doing wrong karma for say for a period of 8 to 10 years, be very careful as Saturn is going to go direct in the sign of Capricorn tomorrow on 11th of October 2021, and Saturn was in retrograde for a time frame of 4.5 months. And I had done a reading on my YouTube channel explaining the gifts, the blessings that Saturn would give, and the time frame has come now. So you may refer back to that reading as well. This is a week of Mercury, last week for Mercury retrograde, and then Mercury is going to start its forward momentum from 18th of October. As well, Jupiter is going to go direct from 18th of October. So 3 planets are going to shift their positioning, their momentum, and that is going to have an effect on us. And in whole of the world, we are going to celebrate Ashtami, we are going to celebrate Dasera in the coming week. So it's an auspicious festive week also. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. So this is a reading for all of the zodiac signs. So if your sun sign or moon sign or rising sign is any of these from Aries until Pisces, you can check the timestamps in the comment box of the video for your readings. So let us begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. So energy vibrations of the coming week for our Arian friends. Let's see the guidance. Wow, amazing. Right as the Saturn goes direct, a big wish fulfillment for my Arian friends. What a wonderful start of Saturn going direct for my friends. So all those opportunities that were lost, all that you were remorsing on is going to be healed. All that was making you feel some sort of a lack in your life, as I see a certain energy that you're coming from, an energy of an ending in your life, might be there is a need to forgive a situation where there was lack, might be lack of finances you have suffered in past, or might be lack in a certain relationship area, might be at home with partner, with children, with parents, or might be in your work area. That situation has ended in your life, and with Saturn going direct right at the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday, we see a big wish fulfillment coming for you. This can be most probably in regards to your health or the health of a person who was suffering, or might be this is with regard to your finances. So an opportunity of financial abundance comes to you as a blessing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it brings along with itself a lot of hope, inspiration and healing for you. So this is a big blessing coming from a big organization, might be a government organization, or might be a big company, or it is a blessing for relationship as in a commitment coming towards you for a marriage settlement, or a blessing coming from your parents, your deceased loved ones in heaven, your ancestors. For some of you, this is a time frame of you elevating on your spiritual journey, you becoming a spiritual healer, teacher. On the weekend, I do see that, some tears are going to be shed onto the situations that are going to be left behind. So in order to attain this new energy into your body, into your life, you have to release certain situations, certain people who were not serving you, and that is the situation you are remorsing on. Towards the weekend, I feel you are sensing some kind of a loss, as though shifting from a place or moving on from a relationship or a situation is making you feel some kind of a lack or a loss. However, something has to be left behind in order to move forward in life. So the blessings that are coming to you are from the divine realm, and you are being guided to stay committed onto your morals, onto doing the right things in life, because Saturn is a planet who blesses people who follow right morals, who are dedicated towards their partners, towards their children, towards their parents. So that is the kind of message coming across for my Aryan friends. Yes, I do feel that financial pinch you have felt in past, and this is a week that this financial loss, there is going to be a gain on this, a wish fulfillment, a blessing coming on your finances. Feeling tied down and frustrated, this is an energy coming from your past, and you moving past this energy now with the movement of with Jupiter going direct, with Saturn going direct. Yes, and you let go of your desires, make a wish to the universe, and leave it to the universe as to how they are going to manifest it for you. So whatever lack you have felt in past, first of all, do forgive the people and the situations that came as lessons in your life. So for you, it will be very helpful if you take that healing of forgiveness and letting go throughout the week, throughout the coming week. That is going to help you release this blockage from your body, and you're going to open up towards the healings, towards the blessings of the universe for yourself. So I wish you all the best, a very, very blessed week for my Aryan friends. Lots of love and best wishes. All that was lacking, all that was frustrating is going to leave your life now from tomorrow. So lots of love and best wishes. Let's move on further to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So dear angels, what are going to be the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Taurian friends? Wow, King of Cups seems to be a week of some kind of emotional wisdom coming to you. Might be you or a person around you who can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, is a very wise person who is bringing you an offer which is going to bring you some kind of healing or stability for you, wherein I feel that you were juggling many tasks, and this is the time frame for you to select that one option for yourself for which you feel you have the capabilities to become a leader. So very, very productive week for you. I do feel that in the last week there has been some kind of communication or an invitation, something that gave you soulful joy. Either you were traveling to a person who was who is a healer, or who makes you feel very, very calm in your energies. So this person could have been a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. In the coming week, I do see that a Sagittarius person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person becomes very evident for you. Now, as I see this reading with regard to love for most of my friends, as the guidance is coming across here. If somebody is seeking this reading for a love proposal and settlement, I do feel that a certain communication happened for you. Internet communication might be, and this was an invitation, might be for marriage or a settlement, and you are contemplating this proposal. I feel that it is coming from two people, the zodiac signs that I have mentioned, and in the coming week I do feel that you are going to be weighing your options, whether to opt for this one person who is more wise emotionally, or this the other person who is just like a superstar, a leader who is very charismatic, very attractive. So you have an option on your hand to weigh your options and make a decision as to which one you want to follow as your life path, as your life partner. So this is a message coming across for some of my friends in a relationship scenario. For others of my friends, I do feel that this is a week of healing. If you or a certain family member was suffering, I do feel that an offer of healing by a doctor, by a healer has come to you in the coming week. On Monday, Tuesday, I do see you connecting with a person, a middle person who can be a healer, an agent, a doctor, and this person is going to help balance the chakras of the person who is not feeling absolutely well, and by the weekend their energies are going to be rejuvenated. If you're seeking this reading with regard to career, profession, business perspective, I do feel that there has been a communication, there has been a middle person who has bought an offer of might be movement also to another city, state, or a country, or might be this offer of work, business. Your profession requires you to juggle between two places, two cities, states, or countries, and this is an offer coming from a very wise person towards you, and you have the capability to take a leadership role. And universal energies, angels are telling me that yes, you are capable enough to take this upgrade, to take this post for you. You might be feeling that I am not ready to grasp this post for myself. However, it is a time frame for you to come into the position of leadership right now. For others of my friends, on a very basic level, Monday, Tuesday, I see you in a very emotionally sound, calming energies. Wednesday, Thursday, I see you juggling many tasks, might be traveling also, might be juggling your finances, might be juggling your homework and your office work. Towards the weekend, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see a very dynamic person around you, or it can be your own energies, that you're looking like a leader, you're looking like a superstar, and you are feeling very, very rejuvenated in your energies, might be attending some parties, functions. And for many of my other friends, I do feel that there is a leadership role which has come to your partner or your parent, somebody who is in an authoritative role, might be a person in your company who is a senior, is bringing this opportunity either for you or for your partner, or somebody around you who is a senior, and this opportunity is an opportunity of an upgrade, movement, travel, and it is a good opportunity to be grabbed in the coming week. Yes, progress, short journey, exactly what I was feeling. So it is a week of a short journey for some of I feel that you've been traveling or planning to travel in last week, might be. Wow, deep teapot, deep friendship with someone of the same sex, exactly. So I do feel that same sex people are over here interacting with each other, enjoying themselves. So very wonderful, joyous time frame for you. Enjoy yourself and ask your angels for help. So for any situation where you are weighing your options, you can sit in a meditative posture, or might be while taking our healings, you can ask the angels to give you clear guidance as to which option is best for you and move with that option. So very, very blessed week for you. Health seems very, very good. Financially, physically, emotionally, very balanced and happy week for you. You are making adjustments. That's really good. Lots of love and best wishes to my Taurian friends. Fantabulous week for them. Let's move forward. Let's move forward and see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Gemini friends. So, dear angels, what are going to be the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Gemini friends? So, our Gemini friends are also contemplating to might be travel or move somewhere. Some of you are on your spiritual growth journey. Monday, Tuesday, I see you very stressed, anxious, having sleepless nights over a certain situation. Or might be there is a person around you who is not well. Okay. So there is a certain situation around you wherein I do feel that there is going to be a person. Okay, so coming from the perspective of a relationship, I do feel my Gemini friends are in a casual relationship with a person, and this relationship is more of a secretive relationship. And so in this secretive relationship, there isn't any clarity of commitment. And so in the last week, my Gemini friends have felt heartbroken as their partner is more interested in a very, very casual relationship, which is just happy-go-lucky and wherein there is a lot of freedom. So in the coming week, I do feel that you are going to be overly stressed about this situation, as you really want to know whether there is going to be a marriage or commitment in this relationship, which seems to be very casual for you. So with the Saturn going direct from tomorrow onwards, I do feel that you are going to, in the mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, you are going to have a very clear-cut communication with your partner, and towards the weekend from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I do feel that the answer is going to come in your favor. There is going to be rejuvenation. There is going to be the start of a new relationship, and marriage commitment is going to come in your favor. So it is a very, very blessed week for you. And at the bottom of the deck, we do see be assertive, wherein you have to speak your heart and mind clearly to the person and wait. So there has been an energy of waiting for you, I do feel, in past. So clearly over here, I can see that, Saturn going direct is going to give you your karmic rewards. If you have been doing good karma, if you have been putting in your efforts, this is a time frame of a yes answer coming for you, a commitment in a relationship, as I see a marriage card over here. So even if this stress is with regard to a third party situation in your already committed marriage relationship, I do feel that, might be you were suspicious about a third party situation in the last week, or might be last many months. You were suffering this situation and you were wishing for freedom from a commitment. In this relationship, I do feel that, some of you can even, opt for a lawyer or judge. You can take help from a legal person to get clarity on this situation, to move out of this whole situation which is making you feel so negative. Might be you yourself are indulging in a secretive relationship and want freedom from a committed married relationship. And so over here, I do see that there is going to be dealing with a court of law in the coming week. And so if some of you want to end your marriage and move towards a new relationship that is bringing you more freedom and happiness, even that can manifest in your life. For some of my friends, there is justice and balance coming in their already committed relationships. For others, there is a big decision of moving towards a new relationship while ending one relationships. And if you're single and in a relationship with a person who is, keeping the relationship more secretive, I do feel that you're going to have a clear communications with them, and this communication during the Mercury retrograde time now is going to finally bring clarity, marriage and commitment into your life. Exactly. So this is a week of an announcement of a marriage for you. So big announcement is going to be made for you in the coming week. I did feel right at the beginning of the reading that this is for somebody who is in a relationship scenario seeking this reading. But I will read it from the perspective of my other friends who are seeing this reading for their work, career, business, professions. So I do feel that if you were heartbroken in a certain work area wherein you were looking for freedom, wherein you were in contact with a person in a company, and I do feel that there were some secretive activities happening in your organization, and you wanted clarity, you were very stressed about this situation as it was giving you some kind of a heartbreak. I do feel you're going to approach a senior person. There is going to be a person in power who is going to give you this opportunity to manifest a new opportunity of work, a project. Growth is coming towards you as your karmic rewards in the coming week. So if there is an interview, you're going to crack this interview. Might be you're stressed about this interview, but there is going to be an announcement of your upgrade happening for you. So there is a no answer over here. So if there is a clear yes no question on your mind, as if whether I should pursue my last relationship, whether I should be moving on, that question you can frame for yourself. The answer from the universe is a no. I do feel that whatever makes you feel stagnant, whatever is not giving you freedom, you should be leaving that, and your yes answer is to move with your new opportunities which are bringing you success, which are bringing you happiness, which are bringing you freedom. So it is a no for all those relationships. It is a no for all those work cultures which are unethical, which are not giving you soulful joy and excitement, which are these scenarios which are giving you anxiety, depression, sleepless nights. You need to cut those people, places and situations from your life, and so there is a big no from the universe for those people, places and situation, and there is a new start happening for you in the coming week. So that's the no answer I feel for you. If however you have a clear question on your mind for a yes or no, you can ask the cards and your answer is a no. So there is going to be an announcement of a marriage for some of my friends in the coming week. So for some of my friends, this is an announcement of end of a marriage, and for some of my friends it is an announcement of a marriage or a commitment happening in a company also. Okay, so with regard to health of a person, I do feel that the reports, if you were very stressed about a certain report, certain test that you had for a person, might be they were suffering in their mental health or their heart health, the reports are going to be in your favor. So I wish you all the best, my Gemini friends, and you may comment down below as to how you could relate to this reading. It would be interesting for us also to know how this no got related to you in the reading. So lots of love and best wishes to my Gemini friends. Let us move to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Cancerian friends? Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week. So our Cancerian friends have been juggling many tasks. Some of you have been trying to balance your chakras. You have been adjusting a lot in certain situations. Wow. So it is a beautifully blessed week for my Cancerian friends. So there is an opportunity of soulful joy that has come to you in the last week, or might be you're contemplating on that. In the last week, there has been a communication either with regard to travel or online communication for a certain opportunity which is very healing, which is bringing you a lot of joy. And although this is a slow moving opportunity, this is like a gold mine opportunity for you. This is going to bring a lot of stability, security in your emotional health and your physical body. So secondly, there is an opportunity of an upgrade, and there is an opportunity which is going to bring you a lot of recognition and financial upgrade. It is a time frame of recovery for my friends, Cancerian friends, all that you were going through. So you are ready now to recover the things that you have lost in past. That's what I feel. Certain opportunities that were lost in past, certain situations that felt as if you would never recover back, might be your health, might be certain opportunities. Those situations are going to come back into your life in the coming week. So yes, so the gist of your week is that it is a week of a lot of power, it is a week of a lot of organized energy, it is a week of you gaining your strength, gaining your position, your authority and your power. So either it can be for you or it can be for a person who is in an authoritative position around you. Can be your father, can be your elder brother, can be your husband, or can be for a person in an authoritative position in a company becomes evident for you in the coming week. Or it can be your own energies that you are feeling very powerful, in control, in authority in the coming week, which is a very, very good grounded energy. So the only suggestion for you for the coming week is not to operate from ego, to operate from love. Because I do feel that in the coming week you are going to make all your decisions with your head. You are most likely, being a Cancerian also, I am seeing that you are not going to be affected by your emotions in the coming week. Monday, Tuesday only I'm seeing that you're trying to balance, weigh your options and trying to balance your emotions very well. In whatever situations around you, you are adjusting, you are adaptable. There can be a situation wherein you are juggling 2 or more tasks on Monday, Tuesday, and you're very well organizing yourself in doing so. It is possible that you are traveling also during this time frame, or for some of my friends, this seems like a juggling of finances. Like moving from your finances from one bank to another, some kind of such transactions happening for you. Mid of the week, I see you very strong, I see you very grounded. You are like a King Midas. Certain opportunity of an upgrade, financial upgrade, either comes to you or to your partner or your parent. As I said, a person in position gives you an opportunity of a financial benefit. So money will flow towards you in the mid of the week on Wednesday, Thursday, I do feel. And if not in the form of money, I do see that a lot of stability and you feeling abundant in your health, in your environment, whatever you are doing in your work area or whatever you are doing in your home area. I do feel that you're very much dedicated, you're very much grounded, and you're feeling very stabilized in your energy and very abundant financially. Towards the weekend, I do see travel for you. I do see that you are pursuing your passion. You are very rejuvenated in your energy. Some of you, I do feel, are going to start to follow a certain exercising regime for yourself, which is rejuvenating your health and bringing a lot of stability in your emotions also. So very grounded energy, you're feeling empowered, that is very good, and you have a Midas touch in the coming week. So whatever you're touching becomes gold. So that is a very vibrant energy. You're operating a lot from divine masculine. That means that for thinking more from your mind and less from your heart. Might be that is what is the message coming across for you, and that is in your favor. So that is good. You've started giving yourself love, and that is rejuvenating your health. Wow, you will receive a gift. Exactly, I was feeling that Wednesday, Thursday is a time frame when you are going to receive a gift from somebody. Might be, I do feel, zodiac signs which are evident over here for you are Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus are very, very evident for you in the coming week. Forces working against you, so be very careful. I do feel that Monday, Tuesday you can sense this energy that forces are working against me. However, I feel that with that energy vibrations of Kali Mata healing, the one I have made on my YouTube channel, wherein you can cut the cords with the people who have malicious intentions, curses, evil eyes towards you. You are going to shield and protect yourself from these forces that are against you. Yes. Romance is in the air. That's a fantabulous energy. So let me read it from the romance perspective. So from the romance perspective, I do feel that some of you are in love with a partner who is younger to you in age, and there has been some kind of a communication with them in the last week, and now you're juggling your options, you're weighing your options, whether you should be committed. You should be committed with a person who is of your age. Might be you are already a married person, and you're weighing your options whether you should be pursuing your relationship with this younger partner, or whether you should stay committed in a relationship with your partner, your husband. So forces are working against you. So I do feel that stay committed in your relationship to your married partner, and try to rejuvenate the romance that was there in your life, in your marriage. That would be a good idea for some of my friends. I do see a casual partner around you, and I do see you weighing your options between a very stable, loyal person and one casual partner. Even if you are a single person, unmarried, I do feel that there is a proposal that is coming to you from a person who has very stable, secured energies. And this person, you need to weigh your options clearly and opt for this person. This person can be a businessman also. This person is very stable. He's a loyal person, and seems to be very mature also. So you are being guided to opt for this maturer person who's like an emperor, who has an experience in his life, might be older than you in age, rather than this frivolous casual partner who is just flirtatious, who gives you some happy-go-lucky time. So be very careful while you make your choices. Yes, so romance is in the air for you. I do feel in the coming week you're going to be given a gift from your romantic partner as well. There can be an encounter with this person in the coming week. So lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Health seems to be very good. Just keep taking that healing wherein the forces which are working against you can be ruled out. So lots of love and best wishes to my Cancerian friends. Fantabulous week for you. Let's move ahead. Let's see the reading for our Leo friends. What are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Leo friends? Let us see the energy vibrations of the Leo coming week. As the Saturn goes direct, it is going to bring the rewards of good karma for some of my Leo friends. So with the Ace of Pentacles, okay, so there is a chapter that is ending in their life. So there is a big ending heading into the life of my Leo friends. Okay, so the health is rejuvenating. There is a news of a lot of happiness. A person rushing towards you with a communication, with a news of happiness, love, joy, positivity. So I feel that there is going to be an end of a chapter in your life that was lacking, that was not giving you power, that was, making you feel some kind of, lack in your life. So there is going to be a release of a big blockage from your body in the mid of the week, and this big blockage is going to further bring a lot of stability, security into your life. So whatever that was unclear, whatever situation that was unclear, there was suspense in a certain situation, is going to be cleared in the coming week. With the Saturn going direct, you are going to be gifted with stability, security and settlement into your life. So let us see. So in the last week, I do feel that you have been able to rejuvenate your health. A certain good news has already come into your life. Now this can be with regard to a love scenario or with regard to a new opportunity. For some of my friends, this is an opportunity of manifestation of childbirth. Monday, Tuesday, I see an opportunity of financial upgrade coming for you, and with this new opportunity, for some of my friends, I see them ending their last job, their profession, their career, business, and moving on to another position of upgrade. So there is a person around you who can be in an authoritative position in a company, who is bringing this new opportunity of upgrade for you in the coming week. So this person can be an Aries or a Scorpio or a Leo person. A Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius or an Aries person is going to be evident for my Leo friends in the coming week. Yes, so you have got to listen to your intuition with these new opportunities of positivity manifesting into your life. For some of my friends, it is good health manifesting for them Monday, Tuesday. Opportunity of stability, security. If you were seeking marriage and settlement, a partner coming with a proposal towards you with a lot of clarity. Can be a Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Aquarius person who approaches you. So mid of the week, I do see that there is going to be a big release. You are going to end a certain relationship, either in a work area, can be a partnership also, or in your relationship area, and you are going to move towards a person who is more stable and secured in their energy. You will be shown the way. That's a very positive confirmation coming across from the angels. Diamond. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. I do feel that this precious gift is coming to you right at the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday. This is a good news for some of my friends. Diamond. It's a time frame of a commitment coming to you. Marriage and commitment is on card for some of my friends, and for some of my other friends, this is a heredity money. This is an upgrade, a gift from a partner, from a parent, a person or a company in a higher authoritative position coming for you. It's a time frame of an opportunity manifesting into your life. So a big time opportunity of upgrade, settlement, either financial opportunity or stability, security in your health, or settlement, commitment coming towards my Leo friends as the Saturn goes direct. So I wish you all the best. A very, very beautiful, energized week for my Leo friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. So fantabulous week for my Leo friends. Now let us move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Virgo friends? So there is a chapter completing in the life of our Virgo friends. So I'm taking the energy of Three of Cups because I like this energy right at the beginning of the week. In the mid of the week, I do see you feeling anxious and stressed about a certain situation. So Monday, Tuesday, I do. Okay, so this is a very mixed week. Let me see what it is about. Okay, so there is a situation of judgment happening for you. A rebirth happening for you, and this situation has been causing you a lot of challenges, a lot of competition in the last few weeks or last few months might be, and this situation is happening in your life because a rebirth is happening for you. Your journey as a child from zero is about to start now in the coming weeks. So There is a new chapter of your life, that's what I'm sensing, that is about to start for you. And so the situations have been competitive, the situations have been challenging for you in the last week. So, and I do feel that that in the last week you have sensed some kind of, freedom also manifesting into your life. In the coming week, there is a lot of mixed energy. Monday, Tuesday, I see you enjoying with your friends and family members. There is happy-go-lucky time for you. And there can be a celebration in the family, might be a birthday, party, marriage, roka, something happening. Mid of the week, I see you very stressed. Wednesday, Thursday, I see very stressed energies for you. You are like, feeling as if you've jailed, as if, you can't have, there are sleepless nights, and there is a lot of stress on your mind, and something is causing you a lot of anxiety. And from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday also, I see you remorsing over a certain loss, as if a certain loss has occurred in your life. So you're remorsing on the situations that were lost opportunities for you. So for many of my friends, I do feel that this is a blockage in your third eye chakra and your heart chakra. In your third eye chakra, there is a blockage of negative thinking that you need to release with the third eye chakra healings. And towards the weekend, I do feel that you need to release the sadness, the grief, and forgive the people, places, and situations, that the energy that have been stuck in your body, which you're remorsing on. So I do feel that there is going to be shedding of tears for some of my friends in the on the weekend on a certain situation. So this is a situation of a major life transition, transformation happening for some of my friends. Okay? And this major transformation, this major situation of transition, you are not realizing is going to be your moment of a wish fulfillment eventually. So what you have to do in the coming week, you have to keep taking third eye chakra healings, and you have to keep taking the healing that we have made for anxiety, stress, and fear to help you release the anxiety, stress, and fear-based energy, and to take the healing on your heart chakra to release this sadness as well, the forgiveness healing. So once you release these blockages from your body, the unforgiveness, the anxiety, stress, there is going to be a big wish fulfillment. This is a week of a big wish fulfillment. This is a week of a lot of inspiration, a lot of hope, angelic blessings coming towards you. However, you are not realizing this. Yes, I can definitely tell you, despite these two cards being here, as I don't read the cards on their face value, I can tell you that the week is going to turn the tables around for you once you release these blockages from your own body. As the cards are only going to tell the energies, the healings are going to be the game changers. If you take the healings for anxiety release, for third eye chakra clearance, for your heart chakra, for unforgiveness, telling you the truth, dear friends, and you're going to come and give a comment down below over here at the end of the week that yes, you were right. This week is going to be a week of a release of big blockages from your body, which is eventually going to lead to a wish fulfillment. So rather than this being a week of big sadness and anxiety, this is going to be turned around. Tables are going to be turned around in your favor. It is going to be a week of a big wish fulfillment, and these shedding of tears can be the tears of gratitude towards the universe. Keep your life in balance. That's the guidance coming for you. So eat in balance. Don't overdrink Monday, Tuesday. Eat in balance. Do your exercises. Do everything in balance, have a diplomatic approach. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly, so there can be a person around you who is causing this mental stress for you. This person is behaving stupidly, so in that case the guidance is only to ignore a person who behaves stupidly. Finger, warning you of a problem either now or in future. I feel this warning is only coming to you that if you don't release these blockages from your own body, then with your own vibrations of negativity, you are going to pull in situations of negativity towards you. So for you, the guidance is coming very strongly that you need to release all those blockages that have caused you sadness, that have caused you grief in past. So I'm telling you again and again, keep taking the healings, and this warning is going to be away from you. And do not deal with this stupidly behaving person. If you keep yourself involved with this stupidly behaving person, there is a warning for you coming either now or for future. For some of my friends, if this is with regard to a third party situation, if you're already in a married committed relationship and you're indulging in this third party situation, this warning could be for you to stay away from this stupidly behaving person. Stay committed in your relationships. An opportunity is coming towards you in the coming week. This is a time frame for you, as I did say, to manifest big opportunities for yourself. In this material world, you need to release the negative blockages from your body in order to manifest these big opportunities for yourself. That's the message coming for my friends over here. My Virgo friends, most important for you is to take the healings in the coming week and release yourself of anxiety, of fear-based energy, of the unforgiveness blockage in your body, and manifest your greatest desires in the coming week. So lots of love and best wishes to my Virgo friends. Let's move ahead further and see what the energy vibrations are going to be for our Libra friends in the coming week. Let us see the energy vibrations for our Libra friends in the coming week. How is the coming week going to be for our Libra friends? Okay, so 3 of Cups again here, just as the same for my Virgo friends. Can be possible that the Virgo friends are being present in the party that the Libra friends are celebrating. So Monday, Tuesday, I do feel that you are going to be in a celebratory mindset with your friends, family members, celebrating something. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's keep it here and see what the energy vibrations are. So in the last week, I feel that there has been a big blessing that came to you from a big organization. You were very stressed about a certain situation which was, ego-based kind of a situation. Might be a person in an authoritative position was playing on ego, and there was a lot of stress and anxiety around this situation. Can be a big organization, or can be a person in a very, very strong position who was causing you this kind of a situation. It can be your partner, can be your in-laws or parents also, who are causing some kind of a stress to you. For some of my friends in their spiritual journey, they were releasing their ego, and there were situations of stress around them in the last week. So in the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, festive mode, celebrating with friends and family members. Mid of the week also, Wednesday, Thursday, feeling nostalgic, meeting with your siblings, might be meeting with your old school friends, college friends, friends from past, or meeting with your parents, something of the sort. So coming together with friends and family members is most of your week. Towards the weekend, I do feel that there is a situation of Seven of Swords wherein you want to stay away from a certain person or a situation. So you're trying to make a sneaky move away, or you're making some excuses in a certain situation because you want your peace. So if there is a person who is wishing to visit you, you want to stay in your calm, so you're going to cut yourself off from them. Or might be there is an invitation, you don't want to visit those people. So that is your energy from Thursday until Sunday might be. For some of my friends, on the weekend there is a warning of some kind of a theft happening, or a manipulative person around you. So there can be an interaction with a person who is very manipulative, who is like a thief, who is not having the best interest for you. So be very careful while dealing with this person, and be careful with your money and the people entering your home, your office places during this time frame. So yes, mid of the week, I do feel that there is some kind of a very very pleasurable time frame that you're enjoying with your friends and family members from start until the mid of the week. So it's a very emotionally satisfying week for my Libran friends. Just the end of the week, I do feel that Mercury retrograde is doing its work. So there is a manipulative person you need to cut your cords from. Period of prosperity and abundance, that's the energy throughout the week for you. So this is great energy. So be careful of the people who want to steal away from your prosperity and abundance. I see Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius people around you. Month of April has been given to you. So if there is a certain situation that you want to manifest for yourself, might be change of work area, movement, or manifestation of home, or reconciliation with your ex-lover, partner, or something happening in your home area, that manifestation can happen for you in April 2022, I feel. Or in the mid of the week, there can be a reconciliation with the person you met in April 2021. That person, a meeting up with that person can be possible in the mid of the week. In a work scenario, I do feel that if there were challenging people around you and you were really wishing to, manifest an opportunity in your favor, might be for a business, a profession, or a work career perspective, I do feel that, somebody from past, might be from this company or any of your other companies, or a person from past helps you bring this opportunity for you that can manifest for you in April 2022. You will be shown the way. So this is a very beautiful confirmation from the angels. So if there is a situation wherein you want to stay away from manipulative people and want to avoid them for the weekend, you will be shown the way from the angels. So you can tell the angels that I want to be with this soul family. I don't want to interact with these people who are manipulative, who do not want my best interest. Give me an idea to stay away from them. Give me an idea to cut them off from my life, and that idea the angelic realm is going to manifest for you. Compromise. So I feel the energy of compromise is going to be, it's the guidance for you in the coming week. So yeah, so if there are offers of if there are people from past coming towards you for forgiveness, for reconciliations, you should be in the energy of compromise for a certain situation in order to bring balance in your relationships. I do feel that this is with regard to relationships, friends and family members, siblings, neighborhood, exes coming back. So a certain compromise is needed for you, might be until 2022 April in a certain situation. So yes, you need to formulate a certain strategy to move forward with these changes that are happening in your life. I do feel that there are many changes heading into your life. Yes, so it is a week of a big transformation and a change, and you getting an opportunity to move away from all that is negative. This can be a movement to another city, state, or a country also. So a compromise is needed from your end until April 2022, and this is going to turn around into a blessing for you for sure. So lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends over here, Libran friends. Enjoy yourself, emotionally very satisfactory week for you. Lots of love and enjoy yourself. So now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations and the guidance messages for the coming week for our Scorpion friends? Let us see the energy vibrations and the messages as the Saturn goes direct. What is it that is coming towards our Scorpion friends? So the sun is shining on them. This is the card of positivity. This is the card of your yes answer. This is the card of love, happiness, joy, content. In any area of your life, be it in your relationships, be it in your work area, this card also to me is suggestive of child manifestation or a good news with regard to your child. Page of Wands, again a good news coming towards you with the Queen of Pentacles, a lot of stability, security, good news that is going to bring happiness, stability, security into the life of my Scorpion friends in the coming week. Very beautiful energies for you. Last week there has been a big judgment that has come to you from the universe. You were evaluating and re-evaluating your situations. Your work environment might be the environment you were working in as a team. And there was a very wise person by your side who can be a healer, who can be a consultant, an agent, can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, and or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person, a Taurus, Virgo person is also very evident around you. In the coming week is a week of a big happiness for you. So it is a time frame of one chapter of your life completing and you moving on to a new chapter of your life. For many of my friends, it is a time frame of conception of childbirth, or a news about childbirth is definitely coming towards you if you are a mother or a grandmother. From a person in a family. For others of my friends, there is an opportunity, a second chance, a rebirth happening for you. Something that you wanted to manifest in your life, can be in a work area, might be an opportunity of travel, moving to another city, state or a country with an upgrade in your work area, that is happening for you in the coming week. For others of my friends, if you are seeking this reading with regard to love, relationship and settlement, I do feel that there is a younger person coming towards you with a proposal, and this proposal is going to end up into success, they say, and remain positive. Yes, exactly. So very beautiful energies for you. You need to take action and remain positive as success is manifesting into your life. So very beautiful energies for my Scorpion friends. Definitely this is a time frame of success. This is a time frame of financial upgrade. This is a time frame of stability, security coming into their life, success, name, fame, recognition. Right on Monday, Tuesday, I do see opportunities of name, fame, recognition, affection, attention coming towards them. Mid of the week, a good news coming towards them. Might be they're traveling, there is high rejuvenated energies, there can be a news, and I'm hearing the an aeroplane is moving across over here in the sky. So this is an opportunity of travel for many of my friends in the mid of the week, manifesting towards the end of the week from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I see you enjoying yourself in your work areas, in your home areas, eating good food, dressing up well, looking very attractive, and absolutely feeling abundant in your energies. Many of you are manifesting a new home. Many of you are starting a new profession or a business, an opportunity of upgrade in a business or a home manifestation or a work area has come to many of my friends. Yes, in a love or a marriage relationship, this answer is a yes answer for you. A new chapter of your life is beginning from the coming week as the Saturn goes direct. Grasshopper situations in the balance that require careful handling. Okay, so whatever situations are around you, they need careful handling in the coming week. You are highly thought of. This is amazing. I do feel that a lot of name, fame, recognition, and you coming into public eye, all eyes on you. So there is a certain project or something coming in your favor. Success is coming for you. You should be remaining positive, but take action in the coming week. So very, very beautiful time frame for you. Your health is fantabulous, and good opportunities, happiness, positivity manifesting for my Scorpion friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy yourself in the coming week. Fantabulous energies for our Scorpion friends. Let's move further and see the energy vibrations for our Sagittarius friends in the coming week. So dear angels, let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends. What is the guidance of the universe for our Sagittarius friends? So our Sagittarius friends have been feeling confused in a certain situation. Monday, Tuesday, they are feeling anxious, might be they are waiting for a certain change to manifest into their life, and there is an energy blockage of anxiety, depression, or negative thinking patterns, suspicious in their mind with regard to a certain change or a financial investment that might be they want to do. So they do feel that in any relationship area or in a work area, they have been, giving their 200%, and they are waiting for their results in the coming week. That's the energy that is coming for my Sagittarius friends. So there is a new beginning heading towards them. So there has been a start for them in the last week. That was a blessing from the divine goddess, that all that was lacking in their life is ending with a new opportunity that came to them of an upgrade in the last week. And so you are being guided to take moon energy healings for yourself in the coming week, because your mind remains very suspicious of people and situations around you. So you need to clear this hazy fog from your third eye chakra, from your mind. So there are two healings for moon energy that you need to take for yourself in the coming week. So Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you're going to be very intuitive, and you're going to be a bit in a suspicious mind also around a person who can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Virgo, Taurus, Gemini person. I do feel mid of the week I see you performing your task with a lot of dedication, you persevering through. However, the energy is that you feel that wherever I am investing my time and energy, I am not reaping those rewards. Towards the weekend, I see the energies of the Queen of Cups. That tells me that now you are in the mood to nurture yourself and people around you. So this is a caring energy, can be of yours or can be the energy of a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person around you. So yes, this is a week of a big blessing coming to you from the goddess on Navratri. So open up yourself, open up all these situations that your third eye chakra and your mind, which is more suspicious, as they this card says forces working against you. I do feel that this is your energy that is stuck in your third eye chakra. This is the energy of suspense, the suspicious nature of your mind, which is making you feel that the forces are working against you. Some kind of depression, some kind of mental blockage that you're having. So you need to cleanse your negative thinking patterns with the moon energy healings. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. So yes, so if there is an opportunity, so this opportunity of work, if it has come to some of my friends, Sagittarius friends, in the last week, so if you feel that there are forces working against you and you want to manifest, you want a certain package for yourself, do stand for yourself, give your requirements to your seniors and tell them that this is what I require for my services. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. And also for a love relationships, if you have been giving in 200%, you need to speak for yourself. You need to be assertive, but to come from a place of love, peace and harmony. There's a card of let go over here, which says that, just make your wish, give your desire to the universe, and stop holding on to that, situation, that desire, and, stop thinking in a very small way as to how this desire will manifest for you. Just make your wish and let the universe manifest it for you in the right timing, in the right way. So just let yourself ease in the coming week. The guidance message for you is to relax your mind, take the healing for, to release the anxiety, stress from your mind with regard to any situation, negative blockages, and take the healing of the moon energy to cleanse all that is, confusing for you in the coming week. So, okay, let us move to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Let us see the energy, vibrations, the guidance for our Capricorn friends. So for many of our Capricorn friends, they are feeling some kind of a discontent in their life. In the sense, this is not even discontent. They have a search of something else from life. Many of you are becoming psychic, spiritual healers, spiritual teachers. So this is for my Capricorn family. I am reading for somebody who is absolutely on an upgrade on their spiritual journey. So in the last week, you have, experienced your 11/11 moment. There has been an end of a scenario, a situation that was very suffocating, that was very choking for you. You've had victory in some endeavor in the last week, and that energy is going to continue for you in the coming week also. There is an opportunity of education, there is an opportunity of upgrade, there is an opportunity of spiritual upgrade and movement to another city, state, or a country. For some of my friends, might be manifesting a new home or a move for yourself in the coming week. That opportunity has come to you. So it is a week of a lot of happiness, joy, and an upgrade happening into your life. So if you're a spiritual healer, teacher, or a card reader, or somebody who is psychic, who does something, some occult practices, or if you're a lawyer, if you are somebody who does soul searching, meditation, yoga, I do feel that this is a time frame of a lot of limelight shining on you, success coming towards you, upgrade in your spiritual journey, in your career. So careers over here that I see are very wise careers. For some of my friends, you are judges, you are lawyers, you are teachers, you are very highly intellectual people, and your wisdom comes from the divine. Your source is your crown chakra, your angelic realm, your connection with the divine. You seek something in life that is beyond the ordinary, and that search, that soul searching, is bringing you a lot of success, name, fame, and recognition. People around you have started recognizing something within you that is beyond the ordinary. So they seek you as a very wise teacher, as a healer, as somebody they can come and take guidance from. This is a message for some of my friends. And some of my other friends in a relationship scenario, if you're seeking this reading for a relationship scenario, I do feel that you have been able to move out from a very toxic relationship in last week or last month, where there was backstabbing, where there were people who were, the third party situations were there. And now you are wishing to isolate yourself from a secretive relationship, from a partner who is not manifesting commitment for yourself, and this decision of yours is giving you a lot of happiness and satisfaction for you in the coming week. So I do feel that the central energy is an energy of isolation. You do not want to be with people, places, and situations that are toxic, that are narcissists, that those people that cause you backstabbing in past. You are going to be moving away from them, searching for something else in life that is going to bring you more soul satisfaction, is what I feel for you. Broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So yes, I do feel that there has been a problem in past and there were unsuccessful outcomes, and you are doing a lot of soul searching. You are putting light on those areas of your life, and eventually victory is going to be in your favor. I do feel you seeking guidance from spiritual healers, teachers, guides, lawyers, judges, intuitive people, and they are shedding light on all the areas to bring solutions to your problems. Exactly, helpful people around you, and I do feel that most of these people are very psychic, very wise people who are going to help you upgrade your journey. So you can be in contact with some teachers, healers. Might be you're joining an institute of very wise people to upgrade yourself, might be spiritually or in whatever career field you want to pursue yourself. So very this is a week of wisdom, knowledge, insights coming towards you. This is a week of spiritual upgrade for my Capricorn friends. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to my Capricorn friends. Fantabulous. Let's move forward to our Aquarius friends and let us see what is the guidance coming across. What are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Aquarius friends? So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week as the Saturn going direct for our Aquarian friends? The start of the week is with a wish fulfillment. Wow, double wish fulfillment, an offer of soulful joy, an offer of passion, love manifesting into your life. One new beginnings for my Aquarius friends, rejuvenating their heart chakra, rejuvenating their sacral chakra. So basically relationship healings, a new start in your relationship and your passions. Fantabulous energies for you. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. So last week also I feel that you have been sensing an energy of a lot of financial independence, and you have been feeling independent in your energies financially also, and independent in taking your decisions. So whatever options were there that you were juggling from, you have felt that the energy has come for you to make your final decisions. That that whole decision making is in your hand now. That power, you've started giving yourself love. Yes. So the coming week is a very beautiful week for you, wherein I see that an offer of love, an offer of new start, an offer of work might be. So all that was secretive is going to be manifesting into stability and security into your life in the coming week. So if there was a relationship with a secretive partner, I do feel that there is going to be a commitment coming from them in the coming week. Clarity is going to come on this situation, an offer of love, an offer of passion. They are very much attracted towards you, emotionally also, physically also, and they are equally wishing to manifest this relationship with you. For some of my other friends, there is an opportunity of a movement to another city, state, or a country, and this opportunity might be you want to keep it secret to yourself for a certain time frame. I do see a senior person around you, might be in a work area. There is an independent opportunity of an independence in a business or a profession, something that you want to keep secretive. There is a start happening for you, but you want to keep it secretive for you. Can be in a relationship area also, can be in a work area also, something that you want to manifest, but you are being guided to keep it secret. I do see a person in an authoritative position around you, can be your partner, can be your parent, can be your elder brother or a senior in a company. The manifestation of this situation in a commitment is going to happen for you in the month of March 2022. And this can be a commitment in a marriage, This can be a commitment or movement to another city, state, or a country that you want to manifest for yourself. I do see a person in a position who is a guide for you. Now this person can be a Virgo person, this person can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. And also possible that something that you started in March 2021 or March of a certain month is going to start to manifest for you from the other week. So this month, you know why it has been highlighted for you. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. Yeah, exactly why. That is why the guidance coming across for you is to keep your secret to yourself. So do not discuss, do not talk about these opportunities manifesting into your life with anybody or everybody, because there is an energy of a person around you who will be gossiping about all your secrets. Okay, be careful about that. It is a time frame of a great good fortune manifesting into your life. So fantabulous energies for my Aquarian friends. I wish you all the best in any area of your life. For some of my friends, this is a start of their spiritual journey. They becoming an occult, they're starting their own profession, their own business as might be a card reader, a healer in some aspect, doing some kind of an occult practice might be. And yes, for many of my friends, I did feel that romance is manifesting into their life. There is a new start, a new romance that is happening. They were weighing their options of the proposals that were coming towards them, and this person who is coming towards them is very passionate about them, emotionally also very connected. This is a divine connection. However, you are being asked to keep it a secret for a certain time frame, might be until March 2022. You need to keep this relationship secret with you, else someone will gossip about all your secrets. So it is a time frame of a very beautiful romance manifesting for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. I'm very happy and glad for my Aquarius friends. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself in the coming week. Romance is manifesting into your life. That's beautiful. So fantabulous energies for our Aquarius friends. Let's move on to our last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Piscean friends. Dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Piscean friends? With the Saturn going direct, I do see your balance coming back. You going with the flow of the incidences. Saturn going direct is going to bring karmic rewards for my Piscean friends. Definitely my Piscean friends believe in karma. So if you have been doing good karma, I feel angelic energies, divine realm is going to be connected with you on Monday, Tuesday. And a lot of balance in your energies is going to be rejuvenated for you. With the Hangman in the mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, it can be a time frame of you waiting on a certain person or a certain situation to manifest for you. However, the guidance coming across for you is to, have more patience and, see the situation from a different perspective. Two major arcanas in your spread. It is a big week for you, a week of surrendering all that is no longer serving you and absolutely making a complete surrender of your desires to the divine realm and going with the flow. I do feel that you have sensed some kind of stability, security and success for yourself in the last week. Some of you were traveling, might be. So some of you have been traveling. There has been a phase of, success for you happening in the last week. So changes are manifesting into your life. Okay. So from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see you feeling very stressed around a certain situation or a person. This is more of your negative thinking pattern, and a blockage in your third eye chakra might be. So you need to do your yogas, you need to do your meditations, you need to get more information when they are telling me. Okay, let us see. So if there is a situation which is causing you a lot of stress and anxiety, you need to get some information about that, situation. Be more resourceful and check on people, places and situations. If there is a situation you are stuck on, you need to check with people around you. I do see a Sagittarius person, a Taurian person very evident around you in the coming week. Yes, so there is going to be a dealing with a dark woman, dealing or a relationship with a woman with dark complexion or a hair. So either she has a complexion darker than yours, or she colors her hair very dark in the dark black or dark maroon brown color. And there is going to be a dealing with this woman in the coming week. Moon, changes in your life. So it is a time frame of changes occurring into your life. And that is why, because of the moon energy, my Piscean friends are feeling very anxious. So this is a week for you wherein you need to have more patience. You need to change your perspective of looking at the situations and people from a different perspective, and that is going to only happen when you are going to surrender your wishes and desires absolutely to the angelic realm and trust them. And cleanse your third eye chakra. Take those anxiety and fear-based energies, that releasing the anxiety and fear-based energy, healing for yourself in the coming week to come out of these blockages, and you are manifesting change in your life definitely. Many of you are, in isolations with your partners. So that situation is causing you a lot of, stress, that, why we are not with our partner, why there is no commitment. However, there is a divine timing that is involved in the manifestation of your desire. For others of you, you are on your spiritual awakening journey, and all that you sense during this time frame, these blockages, these anxieties, these are being released from your third eye chakra, your crown chakra. I do feel in the coming week there is going to be a big blockage released from your crown chakra and your third eye chakra, and these are the healings that you should be taking to clear the blockages for an upgrade in your spiritual journey also. And there on, these divine angelic beings are going to connect with you, give you clear guidance messages in any area of your life. If you do not have clear information, get information either from Google it or from the people around you, or study, educate yourself on a certain situation, or might be this dark woman can be helpful for you. Ask your angels. So yes, you can do your meditations, or while taking your healings you can ask your angels to get you more information on a certain situation for which you are very anxious, you're feeling a lot of anxiety and stress around that situation. With the moon energy, changes are manifesting, so you can take the moon energy healing, and while you take that moon energy healing, one, you tell the divine that I surrender myself completely to you. Give me the information that I need for the manifestation of my desires. It is also possible that you come in contact with a psychic or a healer who gives you clarity on your situation in the coming week. So I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you, and lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Thank you very much, dear friends.